How to add reviews to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can add reviews onto your products in Shopify store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So usually, when someone buys some products online, they look for certain reviews, right? If you see a product, you think it looks good, you check out the reviews, and if the reviews are good, then you go ahead and buy it, right? But over here, as you can see, we don't have any reviews on this product as of yet. So let's go ahead and add some. So to do that, we're going to go back into our admin over here. And what we'll do is we'll come over here underneath apps. We'll click on apps and we'll just simply search for product reviews. We'll search for product reviews, and over here you will see all these different applications. Now the one that we want is this one right here, product reviews by Shopify. So this product is by Shopify, so that means that it'll work really well with our Shopify account. It'll integrate it with it very easily, and this is how it's going to look like when you see it. Over here you're going to see all of the reviews that people have been given. The product reviews are going to look like this, the scripts and all of that. So let's go ahead and add it. So just simply click on add application over here, add app. It's going to go ahead and install the application onto your Shopify store, and then we can go ahead and implement it within our theme. So install the application over here. There you go. So there you go. The application has been installed, as you can see over here, but we're still not done yet. So in order to actually go ahead and implement this, let's go ahead and click on online store, and over here we're going to go into customize store over here, and once the editor has loaded up, we are good to go. Now over here, as you can see, each of the products have their own application right here. So over here, what if we wanted to add a product over here, right? So this is the product slider right here. And over here, what we'll do is we'll just simply choose a product, right? So let's say this is the product. We'll click on the product. So over here, once you open up your product, you're going to see over here, the options have changed a little bit. You have product information, right? Underneath product information, just simply click on add block. And over here, you will see product rating and all of that. And underneath application, you will see you have reviews. Simply click on the review button, and it will add a review over here underneath your product. Over here, as you can see, customer reviews. Then you can just simply click on write a review, and you'll write a review for yourself. So this is just for an example. So let's go ahead and enter in the name. Let's go ahead and say John Doe, right? And then we'll say John Doe @gmail.com. This is like, for example. Then we'll just say 4-star reviews. Remember, if you're gonna give your product a review, never give it 5 stars, because no product is 5 stars. It's a scam. People can tell easily. Like even on Amazon, I don't think there's any product that has a 100% 5-star reviews. It just doesn't exist. Then over here, we'll just say that it's a great jacket. Right here, I'll just say it's the most comfortable jacket I have found for winters. That's it. Then we just simply click on the submit review button, and then we will have a review, right? So pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Then we can just simply click on save button, and then we'll just simply exit the Dawn theme and maybe go back over here. As you can see, this is the product. Let me reload the page. And over here, you will have your customer review. So as you can see over here, we have one customer review, based on one review, 4 stars by John Doe. This is the fake review that we added. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. Then you just need to go onto each individual product and start adding this section within each of those products so that they can see the review. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. And also, you go back over here onto your admin store, click on applications over here, click on the product review button over here, and over here you will see all of your reviews in a list format, and you will know. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. That's how you add products reviews on your Shopify store. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.